Hello friends, this is Jayant Ronkar working as Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Friends, today we are going to learn about the output devices of computer graphics. So these output devices is nothing but is used to represent or used to display the image picture on the screen on the output devices. So how that devices display the images or picture on the screen, that we will see in the output devices. So very first device is shown on the diagram, which is displayed on the screen. So here the CRT, that is cathode ray tube, is displayed on the screen. It is also the display device. Here in this cathode ray tube, various components are there, that is electron gun, focusing system, deflection plates, that is Y deflection, X deflection plate, and the electron gun will generate the electrons. It is passing through the focusing system, and then it will goes from the deflection plates and deflection system, we can say, and it will strike on the phosphor screen, and according to the graphic system it will display on the screen or very different parts of the screen, we can say. So this is what about the basic behind the CRT. Now we will go in detail how the CRT is to be work and what are the various component of CRT display device or output device. So cathode ray tube, that is CRT, having various components. We can see here on the in this diagram, which is displayed on the screen, where first one is healing filament. At the leftmost side of this diagram, the healing filament is given, and with that healing filament, cathode is also available in the metal form. Then control grid, then focusing system, then accelerating system, horizontal deflection plates are given, vertical deflection plates are available here, then electron beam is strike on screen, and at the last of the, or we can say at the screen where the glass is available, it is the phosphor coated screen is there. So one by one we will see how these different parts or components of the CRT or output device works to display the image on the screen using the electron beam, we can say. So healing filament and cathode at the leftmost side of this CRT is given there. So cathode is heated by the electric current. Cathode is heated by the electric current, and that healing filament is also cathode will generate the electrons, and it is passing towards the phosphor coated screen in very fast manner. The number of electrons generated due to heating of that cathode, and that electrons, positively charged, negatively charged electrons are forwarding towards the electron beam, forwarding toward the screen, and that acceleration is too high. That's why the control grid is given to pass the electrons, bulk amount of electrons which is generated by the cathode, and that electrons is controlled by the control grid. Control grid is nothing but metal element which is circular in shape, and which is having one hole at the center of that metallic plate, we can say, and that hole is used to pass the electron as a beam and control the electron to be passing in some specific format, that is called a rays, and it is forwarded ahead toward the screen. So this is what the use of control grid in the CRT. Then focusing system. focusing system is used where that electron beam is to be strike on the screen is decided by means of the focusing system. Then accelerating system, what will be the acceleration rate and how much fast that electron beam will be strike on the screen, that will be decided by means of the accelerating system. So acceleration system is deciding the speed of the electron beam which will be strike on the screen. Then horizontal deflection plate and vertical deflection plates will play the role of deflecting the electron beam as according to the resolution of the screen. Horizontal plate is responsible for the number of rows on the screen, and vertical deflection plates are responsible for the vertical or column of the screen. So it is divided into number of rows and column as according to the resolution of the screen, and according to the focusing system the deflection plate will decide how much deflection should be there in the electron beam which is going to strike on the screen, and which part of the screen the electron beam should be strike. That will be decided by means of the deflection system. So according to deflection system, that electron beam will bend toward the screen, and according to the coordinate value, that is x and y coordinate value of that particular pixel or particular point, the electron beam will strike and at particular position, particular location on the screen, and wherever on which point the electron beam will strike, that pixel or that point will glow and the color will be displayed on the screen. So this is all about the electron beam and the CRT, that is cathode ray tube. Here at the last, the phosphor coated screen is there. Phosphor is having the characteristic to hold the intensity of the electron beam. So that's why, because of that intensity and the characteristics of to hold the intensity is the characteristics of phosphor, and because of this the electron beam is strike on the phosphor coated screen, and due to that illumination is there on the screen at particular part of the screen as according to their coordinate value. So this is all about the output device, that is cathode ray tube. Then another device is there, that is shadow mask. It is also called RGB shadow mask. Here we can see there are three guns, that is the blue gun, green gun and red gun. So this is used for the color combination of the picture of particular pixel which is to be displayed on the screen, and according to these three colors the combination of colors will be formed and it will be displayed on the screen. So if we will see, there is a shadow mask between the actual display and the electron beam or electron gun, we can say. So shadow mask is nothing but one metallic plate where the holes are given, and electrons which is generating by the blue gun, green gun and red gun, at the same time they are accelerating toward the particular point of the shadow mask, and from that shadow mask, whole of shadow mask, the electron will flow as a single row and it will forward it toward the original screen. Original screen. So this is about the shadow mask, that is RGB shadow mask. So it is used for the color, and red gun, blue gun and green gun will decide which color will be there display in that particular pixel, or which color is to be displayed in that particular point on the screen. So accordingly the color will be given that to the particular picture or image, and it will display or represent on the screen. So this is all about the display devices in the computer graphics system. Thank you very much.